Alright, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. As you can see, we are at one of our local hotels here that we actually service. We did all the flooring, did the tile and grout here. We did, so now we're here to do the chairs. We also did the carpet in here. It's a whole tire carpet, I want to say is about 200,000 square feet. Tile and grout is about 10,000. And then we got the chairs here. And of course, we're doing all the backs here. So stay tuned, show you our process, see how we're getting it done. As you can see, I have my polisher here with the pad. And I'll show you my other pad. All right, awesome. So here, look, this is what we got here. So we're also using another one, drill, fine. All right, then we have our natural fiber pad, natural fiber, microfiber, and then of course we have this thing here. All right, so this is a wooling pad. It's a little bit coarser, but we're going to see how it works out. I want to first, these microfibers are my favorite. It takes a little while. I want to try one of these first because these are my babies here. This is a hog hair, extracts and also does a good job agitating. So simply, all I'm going to do, these chairs are already beat up, so I'm not gonna, we don't want it too, we don't want a whole spray here. We want a mist. That's what we want, a nice mist. Excuse me, we want a nice mist here. Look at that, see? Even though it's misting and on there doesn't, I mean, it means it's on there, okay? Put your solution all on there. We'll mist the whole chair. We're gonna do one chair at a time. You can see it's like, oh, you're like, oh, it's not getting wet. It definitely is wet. Looking at my hand, see that? It's wet. So that mist is getting it good, simple. Mist, 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 mist. And we'll wipe the excess up here when we finish. Leave this, see here, so this good stuff. Look at all that. That's breakfast right there. That's your good old pancakes. That's your pancake mix. Very simple. Put that on there. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, look at that, see? See what I'm saying? All right, not overdoing it, just doing two at a time. And then we'll see how we get. All right, check this out. Whoops, I'll get you an angle. Try to hold this up. Let's see here. Try to hold this up. Boom. All right, let's go. Now this up top that you see, nothing you can do with this here. This is all just damaged and worn down. It's just damaged pretty much. I did let the customer know replacement, but that's upon them. On replacing, he doesn't want to get them placed. He wants to get them clean, so we can do first. I can't work any magic on this stuff here, but I can do is clean. Third one that has that pancake stain over there, so check this out. Just I can show you some stains that are coming out. Yeah. You can start on that, just on that side, anywhere.
Over here.
Yeah, you gotta make sure you spray them down real good. A lot of them have like bleach or like dye stains, so not a lot of them are coming out.
Using the spray bottle to spray them.
Yeah, use a spray bottle. See, I'm getting it. See how wet I'm getting it. Yeah, there's one in that bag.
Still get it as saturated as you like.
Yeah. All right. So, looks good. Okay, I got the back here. Let's double do the back real quick. There we go.
We got another battery.
Yeah, they're going in that bag. So, pancake stain, good. Yeah. Pancake stain's all. Like I said, there's nothing you won't be able to do with this, man. And these are just. I wish I knew someone who could reupholster these. Actually, I know how to. The best is way too delicate. Not delicate, but I would put something different on there. It's just stuff like this. I mean, it's just like this is just bleach. But I want to clean this one next because it's the worst one. Stay tuned. I'll show you the after. All right, look at that. So that's the chair afterwards. Got that nasty stain. That's permanent. It's not going anywhere. It's like, see, I don't know if it's from, it could be from multiple things. One, it could be from the sun UVs. Okay, so it could be from the UV of the sun. Or it could just be from people's hair and gel and stuff sitting in there. And I mean, it's just putting in every chair. It's like, you know what I mean? Yeah. Now you can see we're getting all the pancake stuff off, so that's better. But I told him, I said, I don't think it's going to be much you can do about this. We said, try the best you can. I got some of this stuff off here. All the residual dirt you can get off the other end. Like this fading, it just needs, I would re-dye it. That makes me personally just re-dye it. Alright, so here's all the chairs and finished. It's all gonna dry. Like I said, this stuff right here is all just bleached. I don't know what happened there. All this stuff here. We got all the pancake residue out. Well, it's okay. I mean, it looks better. I didn't charge a lot for this because, I mean, I knew already how many I was going to come out. I mean, I clean 1 million square feet a year. Cleaning, resurfacing, stripping, and waxing, and flooring. All right, and I already know how it's going to turn out before I touch it. And I told him, you know, I said, hey, look, man, it's not going to turn out good at all, you know. This is just wet here. It's not going to turn out that good. But he said, do the best you can. So, you know, I just use the same process that we use. Like I said, all this stuff is all stained up here. It's permanent. It's not scratching off or anything like that. It's permanent staining. I use my hardest bristle pad on here with agitation. We use them on the Cymex and stuff. I mean, you see she's over there too, the other brush here. And I mean, this is the best it's going to come out. I'm just being honest. I already told them, you know, I don't expect that much, but this is it. So this is Brandon with Deep Clean Professionals here. We're all finished here. We are going to head out and head to the next job. If you like what you see, give us a call, let us know. Just tell me in the comments and let us know. Like I said, we do this entire hotel here area. We do the tile, we do the carpet, we do everything here. And if you're looking for some business, let us know. Or when they refer us, that'd be great too. I always like to show here in our video that our logo does have a meaning. If you've seen the video in the beginning, the dove brings it back. Olive branch represents peace and also a new beginning. The carpet wand is actually what I started with 5 years ago. So you got your carpet wand and your peace symbol. So every time we're cleaning someone's home, we're coming in your home with peace, all right? We're giving you a peace of mind. You don't know us, we don't know you, but we're coming in there representing peace and give you some fresh new beginnings. Once we go ahead and clean, some people don't clean because maybe they have mental health issues or they're not getting stuff done. We want to make sure we give you that fresh start. But one thing I do want to let you know here is that while we're also cleaning, I didn't show this part, okay? We come into your home. We let you know when we're on our way, okay? This notification has been sent. We let you know when it's finished or when we started and when it's all done. We can send you that email or this invoice.